it. Riding your bike, this is one of the best ways to see a classic beach town, Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and some of Delaware's most beautiful coastal locations. Finding a parking spot in Rehoboth Beach is a fool's errand during summer vacation, so it's so much easier when you don't have to hunt for a parking spot. Grab your bike, leave the car behind, and let's go riding. You can stay in a Victorian hotel. Looks like you've gone back in time. And they have parrots. You know you're beautiful. The boardwalk is about a mile long that you can ride your bike all along the beach, see the dunes. So this trail is amazing. You can start at Rehoboth Beach, can bring you all the way to Lewes, Delaware, where you can get the ferry to Cape May, New Jersey. So from the boardwalk, it'll take you along a road that has a bike lane, and then we get into the state park that will take you through some amazing trails and historic sites. Pretty awesome. Insane, the beauty. You can ride your bike through a World War II military fort. So, pretty amazing. They still have a lot of the artillery here left over from World War II. Okay, we're gonna see a cool sight. You can't ride your bike, you gotta push it, and it's the worst. But I'm gonna do it because the view should be well worth the struggle. This better be worth it. Oh my God, this is so great. These are World War II watchtowers. They were looking out for those Nazis. These observation towers have about 100 stairs to climb. You get 360-degree views. You can pretend that you were back in World War II looking for those German U-boats. And then you can continue to go on the trail and pick up the ferry, Lewes, Delaware, that will bring you over to Cape May, New Jersey. So we're now taking the ferry over to Cape May. And we are riding our bike at Cape May, New Jersey. It's a picturesque beach town with dainty Victorian cottages, voted for one of the most beautiful towns in America. On this bike ride, there are spectacular views from Rehoboth Beach to Lewes, Delaware, and then taking the ferry over to Cape May. There are some views of the salt marshes, gorgeous beaches, wildlife preserve, and plenty of historic watchtowers, and there's fun sights on the boardwalk. It's a great summer vacation. So the terrain remains flat pretty much everywhere, and you can see the sights without even breaking a sweat. It's better on a bike. Hope to see you riding.